How nice is this? This is so nice. You like it? It's kind of... Ooh. Hi. Hey, Boopsie. Boopsy doops. Boopsy boops. Look at the water. Oh. Nice and stuff. Look at the little flower. Look at the flowers. You want a flower? You want a flower? It's a flower. How pretty. I know. Look at that. Look. It's like cabbage. Look, it's like cabbage. No. Ooh. All right. Oh, look, he's fishing. You see him? He's catching some fishies. Look. No, Nola. Try not to fall. It's muddy. Wait. Clean all your chips off. You got chips all over the face. I know. Come on. See? He's catching some fish. So you gotta be quiet. Be very quiet. Isn't it so nice? It's so nice. And there's another one. There's another one. Isn't it nice? Don't you like it? How peaceful. Right? Oh, look, he's fishing. You see him? He's catching some fishies. Look. No, Nola. Try not to fall. It's muddy. Wait. Clean all your chips off. You got chips all over the face. I know. Come on. See? He's catching some fish. So you gotta be quiet. Be very quiet. Trail I found. I just love driving on my deliveries. I see all this beautiful scenery. Look at this little lake. Oh my gosh. Let's see what it's called. Water cycle. Many cycles of nature. Ooh. No. Look at this frog. Northern spring peeper. This small tree frog lives right here. You're more likely to hear it. Can y'all hear it? I think I hear it. More likely to hear it than see it, especially on spring evenings. Listen for a high-pitched 2-note call. Yeah, y'all can hear. I hear birds. Our life on Earth depends on water. Here, in the East Branch Cadorus Creek watershed. Stop. We rely on the flowing waters of the creek and other streams, the still waters of lakes and wetlands, and underground water we can't even see. Heat from the sun turns water from these sources into vapor. Plant leaves also emit water vapor. The vapor rises. Are you listening to mommy? Rises into the sky where it condenses into clouds. The clouds send water back to the earth in the form of rain, snow, sleet, hail, and fog. That's called condensation. So we just had a science class. What is evapotranspiration? It's a combination of two things: water evaporating from soil and water vapor being emitted from plant leaves. Transpiration. What is the water table? If you dug a hole in the ground, eventually you get to a layer saturated with water. This water table marks the top of the groundwater zone. What is groundwater? It's the water stored underground in saturated bedrock and soil. It comes back above ground where the water table meets the surface. What is runoff? Water washing across the land is runoff, whether that water comes from a rainstorm or a car wash. Okay. You see, everybody's fishing. He's fishing over there. The other guy's fishing over here. Okay. All right. Yeah. You're messing up Mother Nature with your artificial dirty food. Ooh, y'all hear the nice birds? Stop. Hope y'all enjoyed that nature walk. That trail was gorgeous. So I had Rascal Flatts playing Life is a Highway. I love country music. So I want to get copywritten, but look at this Dunkin'. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. I love coming to this Dunkin'. It's so fancy, and bougie, just like me. I love it. Yes, hunty. Ooh, I can't wait to own my own franchise. Yes. I pull up like, hey, Maya. I already do that anyway. All my Dunkin' girls. Hi, girls. I love y'all. And guys. Oh, they just keep me running every day. I'm telling you, they don't know. They don't know how much they are needed in my life. Yes, confirmation. Y'all hear the sirens? Yeah, that's right. I'm not lying. But anyway, let's get back to this Dunkin'. Yes. And the video. Oh my goodness. Everything is so different. This Dunkin' is so cool. Oh my god. I freaking love it. Love it. Can't wait to own my own Dunkin' franchise. Yeah. Okay. So I just wanted to catch this right quick. How gorgeous is this view? Oh my goodness. Look at this. Gorgeous. Look at the clouds. Oh my god.